It shows here. Okay, so welcome back to our channel.
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Follow us at Toys R Life TV.
Let's get this video started. Boop, 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 boop. What do we have here?
We have Poopsie Surprise Unicorn.
But weirdly enough, why is it like small?
Is it small because it is...
Fake!
Yeah.
We found this while we were walking around and we were so shocked because we know that Poopsie wasn't around our area.
Yes.
Yeah.
They're still not available in our country.
Yeah.
So we got a little curious and wanted to show you. Actually, these are, I think, let's measure it. I know they are kind of big.
Yeah.
Like around, like the original ones are about 14 inches. Like with the box, it is about 16 inches.
Yeah.
So if you can see, guys, like this one with the box is just 6 and roughly 6.8 inches.
It's like the normal one. Like the Poopsie, the one that we had the other
Just the
time.
Poopsie Slime Surprise.
Yeah, the can thingy.
Yeah, but this one, it's advertised as being
Poopsie.
like Poopsie Surprise Unicorn.
And they have a lot of unicorns around.
Yes.
So it was like, oh, maybe it is. But
It shows there,
it's not.
like the characters.
There you have it. Yeah, I think those are the real characters.
Yeah, I think they use the same illustrations. But comparing to the other, it's about 10 inches shorter.
Yeah.
And the box is almost, I think that one is a little oval.
That one is like a little oval. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's try to open this.
Okay, you first. You first.
Okay, but we're actually very curious as to how this would turn out. There were other fake toys there. Yeah, so maybe we can try to buy the other ones and we can show these guys.
Yeah.
Please comment down. Comment down below. They have, I think, LOL.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can buy some LOL stuff there and show you. Comment down below if you want that. So this one, it comes in a box. The original ones do not come in like this type of box.
Yeah, they're in a toilet shape form.
Yeah. Toilet tissue. Yeah, toilet paper. Okay, so this is the top of the container. And it shows here. Ooh, it actually has like a very good illustration.
Yeah.
I can say the quality though. It says here that it's there are 20 plus magic surprises.
20 plus?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
And it's for 6 and above.
Yeah.
There's one set. And it contains glitter,
20.
special effect powder.
Yeah.
Slime powder.
What is this?
Die cut glitter. What else? Yeah, those are the contents. And warning, there's choking hazard also.
Okay.
And this is the back.
Yeah.
Yes, it says here that
Feed
it's
the
from
unicorn.
hashtag Poopsie Slime.
Yeah.
And it says there one, feed the unicorn. I'm not sure if this has like that kind of unicorn, like the original one.
Yeah.
If it has, because I know the original one is like around like 14, a 14-inch doll.
Yeah.
So
these ones exactly. But
yes,
like,
exactly.
maybe we'll get the shake. No, I mean,
Maybe that's our surprise. Okay, so number 2, reward the unicorns. Reward unicorns. Number 3, I won't even try to
read that.
Yeah.
Well,
pronounce
I'm
that one.
actually really shocked because like, why is there delicious cat?
I don't know. Maybe they have lollipops or something. Collect them all. So you have Dazzle Darling here, Rainbow Bright Star,
Yeah, I think that's
Oopsie Starlight,
Yeah.
and Whoopsie Doodle. Okay, I'm just excited. Let's just open this.
Okay.
It doesn't have the like it doesn't have that where you're supposed to like start. So let's just try to open it.
Here, Yeah.
It's kind of tough.
Okay.
Yes. I can't remember the last time we opened the other one.
Oh, it's just clear plastic.
Yeah, but it has like the blind bags also.
They're not sealed, I think.
Nah, I don't think so.
Is this gonna contain 20 surprises?
I'm not sure. Can you hold it? So
Okay.
I can hold this one. Okay.
And
Thanks, Stella.
Then
And yeah, it's just like it's not as sturdy as the original.
the
original
this
one.
White
This is the bottom.
yeah.
Okay. So let's try to open this. I'm not gonna be like careful with opening this one. Let's just it has several things inside. I can feel some hair, I think. So it has 2 blind bags.
I have a lot in my hand right now.
Yeah, so there may be really 20 plus magic surprises.
Yeah, I think you guys can see it. There's a lot.
Yeah. Okay, so let's open this one. This is fairly easy, not as sturdy as the
other blind bags. Yeah.
Okay, so
What did you? Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
Ooh.
So
we did get a unicorn.
Yes, I think there's a unicorn without the head.
Yeah, headless unicorn.
Like a headless unicorn here. So we have to assemble that one, I think. And this is the head. Oh, it has like a wrapping.
Oh, that's so cute.
They are cute.
Yeah.
It is cute.
Did they copy it? Like
the hair is like very, very long. It feels like a
Barbie
little
hair? No,
a little. Barbie hair is like a little softer than this. I'll try to attach the head to the body while Ella opens the other bag.
Okay. There's a lot in the bag. See?
The color,
you can play
the body color and the face color are not the same though.
This one is like a little bit greenish and this one is like blue.
Yeah. Okay.
As you guys can see, there's a lot inside. It's like you can set up your own house. You have a milk carton, and then we have the comb. There you go. There you go. And then we have, what is this? Lemon juice. Some lemon juice over here because, yeah.
Why not?
Yeah. What is this? I thought it was a mirror.
Maybe that's the lollipop. Or the one
this is the lollipop.
The one that you're supposed to feed the. Sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, the unicorn. And this is the squeezy bottle that you're supposed to have.
No, you cannot squeeze it.
Yeah.
It just says cold drink.
Yeah. And then we have this ice cream.
Yeah, so you don't really get like a slime.
She just has a lot of accessories.
Yes, okay. So she has accessories.
She really has a lot of accessories. What is this?
Okay, we will count them if there are 20.
There's the pizza, and then you have this smooshed cake, I think.
I think so.
Yeah. Is it a plate? I don't know. I don't think it's a
plate. She has a lot of things there.
This is the mirror.
There's the mirror.
Yeah. Okay. She has a mirror, so she can herself out with her long hair. I'm jealous of her hair, actually.
Yeah, it's very long.
And then she has a bag!
Aww.
Never knew unicorns.
Yeah, that's what I'm supposed to say. Oh, another food.
You have another lollipop.
Yeah.
It's not focusing. There you go. It's a heart one, and then the other one's like going up there.
Yeah, so...
what is this? What is this?
Oh, it's a strawberry drink? What is it?
Oh, I think it doesn't. Yeah, it wasn't supposed to be there. You have 2 ice creams.
You also have another ice cream.
A lot of drinks. And then another
lollipop.
Another lollipop.
Okay, so is that all?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are only 14
surprises or accessories. Did it say accessories or something?
I feel sad.
It's at 20.
It's at 20 plus.
20 plus.
Not kidding.
Oh, maybe the other surprise was like it was headless at first.
Yeah. And the dress. I don't know if you can take off the dress. Like the usual.
The top, yeah.
No, I don't. Yeah, the top. But you can, like, brushes her hair.
How do I feed you?
Oh, you cannot feed that. We're actually waiting for the original one to come here, like the big one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
I'm very excited for that. I want to make some slimes.
Yeah, that's why we love Poopsie because of the slime.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really wish they had slime here. I thought it's gonna have slime.
Yeah, a lot like.
Yeah. Oh, and the back of them, they're not like a little hollow, so you will know that. Yeah, you can see there. Hey, she looks a lot like the characters. She looks like this one. Yeah, this one.
Well, they can see it because like the.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. She looks like this. I guess because she has like rainbow color here.
So we got that.
Dazzle Darling. I hope we get another one.
Okay,
like a different one.
We'll open this one now.
Yes.
I mean, I think it's just the same. We don't even have a what you call that the card. No.
Yeah, the collector's guide.
Yeah.
Or checklist.
Okay, so we have the same thing over here, here,
and here.
And then the unicorns that you can collect. Still the same print. Feed the unicorn. Reward unicorns with delicious candy. And I don't know the third one. Same as Nicole. And we'll just tear this apart. Oh, it's the opposite way now. They glued it the opposite way. It was the other way around. Okay, I'm just hyping myself up. Okay, there you go. It wasn't. Okay.
Okay. So it looks the same. It has two blind bags.
Yeah. Two blind bags. Oh, I think we have the same one. Maybe.
Yeah,
the color set. Very obvious. And okay, can I answer the yes?
Okay, this one.
Check out what's inside. It's gonna check out what's inside, and I'll check this unicorn out. If we got the same
one, we get the
oh yeah,
oh,
we did get the same one.
We got a twin.
Yeah.
That's cool. Ah, with a different colored hair.
No,
it's the same. Okay, but she has like more hair.
Well, we can compare them both. Okay, so I think it's just gonna be the same.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, true to its color, the head is still bluish, and then the other one is still greenish.
Yeah, the body is green. We'll take out everything.
Pop it in. How do you pop it in?
You take out all of those things. I'll pop this in.
Yeah, that is so hard.
Yeah, it is hard.
Okay, we still have the pizza. We got another pizza earlier. And we have the same milk carton.
There you go.
Same brush.
Squeezies.
Same lemon juice. Same strawberry. Okay, it's not focusing. Same strawberry. Same handbag. Same lollipop. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Okay. So basically, same accessories.
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
So let's just show them up close what they both look like.
Ta-ta, ta-ta-ta.
Thumbnail! Hi guys!
Welcome back to our channel.
Yeah! So, this is the Poopsie Unicorn. Surprise unicorn that we got.
Yeah, that's fake.
Again, this is fake. We hope that the manufacturers of the original ones, they really make like a surprise unicorn that are this big, so that like the kids can bring them anywhere.
Yeah,
they are cute. The ones that they manufactured are like they are super adorable, but they're like about 14 inches, like a big doll.
Like a big doll.
Yeah, very big doll.
Big doll.
Yes.
You have a good elbow.
So we just wanted to show you these guys, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!